Hello and welcome to week 4 of Jory Caron's Acquiring a Taste to Persimmons. That's too long. We'll come up with a better title, I'm sure. I don't even really know why I take the stickers off because I feel like the stickers probably taste better than the persimmon. But this week I'm going with a softer one at the Price Chopper around the corner from me. They just have a huge mound of them, and I don't really know what I'm looking for. But there are noticeably some harder ones and some softer ones. This one is a little bit softer, but to be honest, none of them are like squishy. They're all, you know. I don't know what I'm saying. Well, I guess I just get into it and hoping this one tastes better. That's a big negative. That is the opposite of a 10-4, buddy. That is the opposite of a 10-4, a 410. We have a 410 to Persimmon Town, and that train is not slowing down. You better get out of the tracks, pull that lever, shoot that train in a different direction, because it's not going down the throat tunnel. Well, this one's even worse than the past, I think. Maybe? To be honest, they're all really bad. Like, okay, maybe it's getting a little bit easier. Maybe I am actually acquiring a little bit of a taste. Either way, I'm going to stick at it, with or without you guys. Leave a comment down below, though, if you want to be along for that journey. I will definitely see them. I'll calculate all the numbers, figure out if we're doing this together. That was way too big of a bite. It like fights back the whole time. Oh, that one. Oh. I feel like when you get to the black bits inside, that means it's too ripe. So definitely chasing the squishy train isn't the way you should go. The squishing probably means bad. I'm sorry you had to see that, folks. I'm trying to keep this channel PG, and that was... Oh. There are black bits on the outside. Maybe that's related. I honestly don't even know what I'm looking for, but I think that means we have come to the end of this episode of trying to acquire a taste for a persimmon. I need to chase this with tequila, probably.